My name's Connor Fogarty. Today I will be presenting my final project, which is Snowcast, a snow forecasting and recording software that allows resort and backcountry skiers to forecast weather and snow events, easily compare forecasts for resorts and backcountry zones, record observations such as snowpack and avalanche signs, and export that data for sharing. Um, For my backend, I will be using MySQL. For my front end, I'm using Python with Tinker GUI, and I'm using the NOAA API in order to collect forecast data. I have six tables in their normal form. Table one is location, which stores ski resorts and backcountry zones via coordinates. Forecast requests and forecast period, which work together to provide weather from the NOAA API. Observation, which allows manual recording of snow events via the users. Favorite locations, which allows a user to save their favorite locations. And export log, which tracks data exports. Um, Overall, I'm using a MVC setup, so model view controller. Um, Essentially, my database is acting as my model. My view is the GUI you're seeing currently, and then the controller is some code I have in between that essentially ensures that the user is never directly calling anything into the database. Okay, let's start walking through some CRUD procedures. So first off, I'm going to go over to, first going to show you we have Killington, Loon, Stowe, Sugarloaf, Sunday River, and Wildcat. I'm going to use my database. I'm going to select location. We're going to see Stowe, Killington, Sugarloaf, Wildcat, Loon, Sunday River. So it's everything we saw here. I'm going to add a new one called Sugarbush with new coordinates 1862, -72.979. This is in Warren, Vermont. I'm going to add the location. We're going to see location Sugarbush has been added. Okay. Now we're going to step over, call this again, and we're going to see, okay, Sugarbush has been added with the coordinates I used, Warren, Vermont. Cool. Now, that was my create procedure. I'm now going to show you update. So I'm going to select Sugarbush. And I'm going to change it to Mad River Glen, which is a resort right down the road, roughly 15 minutes. Mad River Glen, going to change the coordinates slightly to represent Mad River Glen instead of Sugarbush. 729077. Sugarbush is not in Warren, it's in Fayston, Vermont. Just to show you again, okay, here is Sugarbush. I'm going to update the location. I'm going to see Sugarbush go to Mad River Glen here in the GUI. Going to select this again, run it. And we're now going to see Mad River Glen with the updated Latin long and Fayston instead of Warren, Vermont. Cool. Now I'm going to show you that forecast period has nothing in it and forecast request has nothing in it. Then we're going to go over, we're going to select Mad River Glen. Let's do a 3-day forecast, which is our standard, but you can see we can increment between. Get forecast. This takes a little bit as we're calling the NOAA API. We see forecast for Mad River Glen, Faison, the coordinates, the day and time it was generated. And we're going to see every day gets a day and then the night. So we're seeing the night currently for today. Then Friday, we're going to see the day. Yep, cool. Now I'm going to go back over and demonstrate that we did make a forecast period. And this is the forecast request we made out to the NOAA API. And this is where we saved all our forecast data. So we're seeing overnight here, Friday day, Friday day, Friday night, Friday night. Okay. Yep. So that is my final project, Snowcast. Thank you so much for watching.